In late December 2023, heavy rain hit South Thailand, causing the worst flooding in living memory. Local Rotarians started delivering food aid, but soon realised there was a need for clean drinking water. On January the 3rd, Disaster Aid Australia was approached about bringing SkyHydrants to the disaster area. By January the 7th, volunteers Brian Ashworth and Peter Elias were off to Bangkok, where we met up with the team from Disaster Aid Thailand and arrived in the disaster area on January the 8th. On January the 9th, the first installation was completed at the Wat Lampu Monastery. January the 10th, the second one at Maro Bo Ok Mosque. January the 11th at Yala Chinese Temple, and January the 12th at the Wat Kuwapimuk Monastery near Yala. An important part of all installations is making sure that Disaster Aid Australia volunteers are seen drinking the water with local dignitaries. At the same time as the installations were carried out, food distribution was also occurring, with local Rotarians and Disaster Aid Thailand being involved in organising the supply and distribution.